And for adjustment of the brake, which is very important, is to for the adjustment, this brake bit, it is a fail-safe brake. When the air pressure is not there, it is in fully brake, and the fully brake is in fully push. When the air pressure build up and we want to remove the brake, the air pressure will come and the spring will be extracted and the brake will be released. Okay, for adjustment the brake, we have a window here. We have a torch, or with your mobile phone, or a torch when it is. Okay, for adjustment the brake, we can see the brake liners over there. Can you see it? Yeah, here is the brake disc, and here is the brake liners. Okay, and here is also the place that we can change the brake liners easily. Yep, but rarely we don't really use it. And for adjusting the brake, we have to lose this set screw and also lose this set screw. And when we lose these screws, the brake has to be fully released. And when it is fully released, we can turn this nut until we see that the liner is near the disc brake and it is near to touch, less than 1 millimeter distance to the disc brake. We have to adjust this nut screw until see that the brakes are going forward and it is nearly touching, but is not making the force. When the brake is released, I mean we need to have the full air pressure and the brake handle should be in fully release mode, and when it is in that position it is set and we can fix this set screw and as well as this set screw. And here is the eye nut which is there, yeah, it is a little bit fixed. And when the brake is actuating, actually the liners will touch, and it's the sliding mechanism. The liner of front side and the back side will touch and hang the disc brake, which is this one, hang the disc brake and keeping the brake all the way. Okay, but there is a point that I can show you in the other unit, that when we see this red line, it means that the brake is fully extracted and is not allowed to be like this, and because it is the end of the load and maybe the braking force is not enough. And for this matter, we need to adjust this brake. As you see, it is far away from the adjustment and it has to be in the way that, and in this matter it is not very good because the response time it's very long, and when we set the brake it doesn't comes to the brake quickly that we need it during the fast charging. Okay, and here is the new label which is made. It is saying that for the new couplings, I will show you that they have to connect because they are the screw to connect, and they have to connect until they don't see the green, the yellow O-ring anymore. As they see and they have to come to the actually complete metal to metal contact. If they are seeing the yellow O-ring, it means that they are not fully contact, and the risk is to suddenly uncoupled, or there is excessive restriction to the air to the oil flow, and it will heat up the oil flow. And it is mentioned to clean the couplings before connections. It's good to mention all the way.